Most people love to hear success stories. Stories about ordinary people who finally found their purpose in life. But success is not always what it seems. It is like an iceberg, and what we see on the outside is just the summit. Oftentimes, we are blinded by awards and recognitions, and we even fail to see its biggest and most important part. But underneath the fame and glory are hardships, struggles, and failures, and we will realize that the climb to the summit will never be easy. Sa lahat ng daang pinipili nating tahakin, mayroong mga pagsubok na nakaabang. And with those challenges, I needed to conquer 3 mountains. First was to conquer myself. Marami akong nabago sa sarili ko noong nag-transfer ako. Noon ay hindi ako marunong mag-commute at nahihiya akong pumarang. When I took my first step at Rebecca National High School, natatakot talaga ako. I was afraid to be judged na bakit nag-transfer siya dito, ang daming ibang schools na mas malapit. But I remained true to my values. Ginawa ko ang mga bagay na alam kong tama at umiwas ako sa mga bagay na makakasama sa aking pag-aaral. My journey at Rebecca National High School has been made even more meaningful because every step of the way, I felt my Mama Marie and Papa Joseph right there with me. I am so humbled and immensely grateful to each and everyone who supported me, mentored me, and loved me. Another challenge is my leadership, being the Supreme Student Government President. I knew I had a big role to step up to once the key of responsibility is passed on me. But during my term, God has given me the strength and the wisdom to surpass all the struggles and failures I have. The second was to conquer others. There were so many times that people told me that I would fail. But I conquered others by surrounding myself with those people who uplifted me and supported me. My classmates, friends, God, and my parents were my backbone and my fortress. The third and most important is knowing your purpose in life. Life is like a maze, and from the moment we open our eyes until the moment we close it for the last time, our main goal is to survive the maze and find the purpose of existence. What was the point of all this? Who was I doing this for? Whenever I see my parents' faces, knowing that they have sacrificed every single part of them to complete it, I thought of God who has been there to guide me and serve as my compass so I won't get lost. Catriona Gray said, each and every one of us is a king and queen with the ability to conquer the universe, whatever that may be for you. But we must first conquer ourselves, conquer what others perceive of us, and finally, to conquer with a purpose, to conquer our dreams. My life is totally challenging. Like every single person, I had to overcome the fear that comes from within. But I conquered my fear with faith. Faith that God purposely set me on this path and He will not give me a burden too heavy to carry. I would like to thank our motherly and superb school principal, Dr. Virgie P. Lagundino, to Ma'am Precious T. Agustines, who served as one of our inspirations, sa aming classroom advisor, Sir Cedric Palatao, na laging handang makinig sa aming mga hinaing at sa aming mga problema, sa aming senior high school focal person, Ma'am Beverly Peralta, sa dalawa kong coach sa journalism, Sir June Clifford Mape and Ma'am Chinita Madrid, sa tatay namin sa dance troupe, Sir Aaron Guarin, sa aking SSG advisor, Ma'am Alicia Agbayani, kay Sir Monchet Eroso na laging handang tumulong sa mga activities namin sa aming organization, sa lahat ng tumulong sa aming research, which is the Mozalam, Sir Romeo Balwalwa, and Ma'am Jeneline Artap for being our statistician. Thank you very much po. Kay Pastor Noel Kawitan na laging nagbibigay ng advice sa aming mga kabataan sa Ipil Bible Christian Fellowship. Maraming salamat po, Pastor. At sa lahat po ng teachers ng Rebecca National High School, sa bawat balikat na aming sinandalan sa mga pagkakataong kami ay pinanghihinaan ng loob, maraming salamat po. Bago ko po tapusin ang aking speech, nais ko lamang po mag-iwan ng aral para sa mga katulad kong kabataan. Success is not possible without God. In Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, "But seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." When I was in grade 11, I joined in the Division School's press conference column writing competition. At maraming nagtatanong noon, kaya ba niya? But instead of backing out, I asked wisdom from the Lord dahil alam ko na walang imposible sa Kanya. And God is truly good. I won 3rd place in the division level and I was a regional qualifier. And then the following year, I won 1st place in column writing. And again, I was qualified in the regional level. The point is, alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako yun. It was God. So let's always prioritize God. Let's seek first His kingdom and His righteousness. Because I tell you, we will never succeed without God. So better communicate with Him and better strengthen your faith. The challenge lies in our hands. Let's all be champions for the future of our nation.